Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to add fields to your YaraPlus account. Adding fields unlocks key agronomic tools like variable rate maps and N-tester, so you can manage crop nutrition more precisely. After signing up, you will land on the YaraPlus homepage. At the top of the screen, you will see a map and a prompt to add your fields. You can either manually add your fields directly on the map or import them from another source. In this video, we will show you how to draw fields manually. You can watch our other video to learn how to import fields. Let's begin. Click Add Fields. If your browser settings allow, the satellite map will automatically center on your current location. If not, don't worry, you can easily find your fields by dragging the map or by typing a postcode or an address into the search bar. For better accuracy, zoom in and fine-tune the position on the map. YaraPlus gives you two options. You can select existing field boundaries already shown on the map by clicking on them. Or you can draw your own fields. To draw a field, switch to drawing mode at the bottom of the page. Now, click on the map to place boundary points around your field. Continue clicking to outline the field, and drag the points if you need to adjust the shape. If you make a mistake, don't worry. You can use the reset button to start again, or delete individual points as needed. To finish the field, bring the cursor back to the starting point. Once you are happy with the boundary, click Save Drawing. Repeat this process to add more fields. If part of a field should be excluded, such as woodland or non-cropped areas, click Exclude Area and draw the area you want to remove. When finished, click Save Drawing. Your fields will appear in the overview on the left. Field names are automatically taken from satellite data, but you can rename them at any time. When everything looks correct, click Save. Next step is to add crops. YaraPlus allows you to assign crops in bulk. Thus, select one or more fields growing the same crop. Then choose the crop type, production goal, and seeding date. And click Save. Add crops to the remaining fields. And when you're ready, click Done. As you can see, the crop information is now shown on the selected fields, and access to agronomic features has been enabled. When fields are added manually, they are placed under a single farm with a default name. You can edit farm details by clicking the three dots on the home page, or by going to Manage Farms in the header menu. Here, you can update the farm name and address. When ready, save your changes. Additionally, you can share access with farm workers, advisors, or retailers, helping everyone stay aligned. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your farm and fields in YaraPlus. You are now ready to explore the full range of YaraPlus tools and start making more informed crop nutrition decisions. Thank you for using YaraPlus.